Welcome to Vudvi Food and Arts. Today we are going to see how to prepare a tasty and spicy chicken pickle in simple way. You can store and use this pickle up to 3 months. For that, please subscribe our channel. Let us begin the process. Heat up the pan, add 5 cloves, half inch cinnamon stick, 1 Marathi Moggu, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoons mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons coriander seeds. Fry it on low flame and keep aside and cool it. Heat up the pan and add 400 grams of clean chicken and cook on a low flame until all the excess moisture gets evaporated. Now take a mixie jar and add all roasted ingredients and make fine powder. Once moisture gets evaporated, add 50 ml of oil, add garlic cloves, mix well and fry it. Here I am using 50 ml of oil for 300 grams of chicken. If you want to store it for more days, then you can use more oil. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, salt well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, salt as per taste. Add 3 teaspoons of prepared masala powder. Mix well and saute well. Turn off the flame and add 1 lemon juice. Today's tasty and spicy recipe chicken pickle is ready to serve. Try it and share your opinions. If you like this video, like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching.